Rodents chewing on thermostat wiring can totally mess up your heating and air conditioning system, causing those random breakdowns that drive you nuts. So, if your thermostat or HVAC system is acting all weird and unpredictable, one of the first things to check is whether some little critters have been snacking on the wires. Rodents love crawl spaces and walls where they can hide, and those wires are like candy to them. You'll want to take a flashlight and inspect those areas for any signs of gnawing or chewed up cables. If you find any damaged wires, it's best to replace that entire section because patched up wires might not hold up long term. Also, sealing up entry points where rodents get in can stop this problem from coming back. Using wire conduits or protective covers around thermostat wiring can add extra defense against future chewing. And don't forget, even if things seem fine now, scheduling regular checks during seasonal maintenance helps catch these sneaky issues early. Keeping rodents out can save you big bucks on surprise repairs and keep your heating and cooling running smooth. One of the biggest thermostat wiring problems caused by rodents is completely severed wires, which cuts power or signals to the HVAC system. Fixing this means replacing the whole wire run and sealing off rodent access points. Another common issue is partial wire damage that leads to intermittent thermostat failures. The fix here is testing the wiring for continuity and swapping out any suspect sections. Finally, rodents can cause shorts by exposing wires, which often trips breakers or blows fuses. Using wire guards and conduits can prevent this, plus inspecting wiring regularly keeps surprises away. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like thermostat wiring problems quickly and right the first time. For contractors, it's a solid platform to find real jobs in your area without all the hassle of chasing leads.